Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best inspirational keychains is probably one of the most thoughtful and versatile gifts you can give to the amazing women in your life, offering a daily dose of encouragement and a constant reminder of their strength, resilience, and unique qualities, making them perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, to celebrate their achievements and support their dreams. Number 5. Peaceful Faith Keychain Message Jewelry Pendant. Introducing a unique keychain designed for the modern woman. It's more than just an accessory, it's a statement of faith and personal style. This piece features a beautiful pendant that doubles as a subtle message of encouragement. Carry your faith with you wherever you go. Crafted with quality metal and glass, this key ring fob is both durable and elegant. It's designed to complement your everyday essentials. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pendant jewelry is perfect for any woman who cherishes her faith and appreciates stylish accessories. Each pendant comes presented in an elegant gift box, making it ready for gifting. It's a present that will be cherished and remembered. What we like? This keychain carries a message of peaceful faith, perfect for those who find strength in their beliefs. It comes beautifully presented in a gift box, making it an ideal ready-to-give present. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift that combines spiritual encouragement with elegant design, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The keychain is a beautiful reminder of strength and resilience. It serves as a daily affirmation to stay positive and motivated. The inspirational quote on the keychain is well chosen and uplifting. Number 4. 259 PCS Inspirational Motivational DIY Charms for Crafting. Get a generous supply for your crafting needs. This set includes motivational charm pendants, open jump rings, and key rings, perfect for making jewelry and keychains. These charms, jump rings, and key rings are made from durable alloy. They are sturdy, not easy to break, and feature a smooth, shining surface with a nice texture. Each pendant is engraved with uplifting words like, "I love you," and "Live your dream." Combined with creative patterns, they add a meaningful touch and express your blessings. These motivational charms make a wonderful gift for birthdays, New Year, graduations, Valentine's Day, and more. They are ideal for sharing with loved ones. Create personalized necklaces, bracelets, keychains, and more with this versatile set. You can design unique gifts that truly express your style and sentiment. What we like? This massive set provides everything you need for a creative DIY project, featuring a wide variety of inspirational word charms. You'll receive charms, jump rings, and key rings, perfect for crafting personalized gifts. If you love to create unique items and want to make multiple personalized gifts for friends or events, this bulk pack is an excellent value. What people say. The keychain is a beautiful and sturdy reminder of faith. It is a perfect gift for any woman of faith, serving as a daily encouragement. The inspirational message is clear and uplifting, making it a meaningful accessory. Number 3. 7 RVZM Sunflower Friendship Keychain. Looking for the perfect way to show your best friend how much you care? This beautiful sunflower keychain is a wonderful reminder of your special bond. With its uplifting sunflower design, this piece serves as a constant source of inspiration. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion, celebrating friendship. Is your bestie moving away? This keychain is a touching going-away gift that will keep your friendship close, no matter the distance. Celebrate your unique friendship with this charming piece of besties jewelry. It's a small token that carries a lot of meaning. This inspirational jewelry is more than just an accessory, it's a meaningful keepsake. Give them something special that symbolizes your enduring connection. Searching for a gift for her? This sunflower keychain is an ideal choice for any woman who cherishes her friendships. It's a gift that truly shines. What we like? Celebrate the special bond of friendship with this charming sunflower keychain. It's designed as a perfect gift for best friends, especially for those going away or celebrating milestones. If you're searching for a gift that symbolizes warmth, loyalty, and enduring friendship, this sunflower piece is a radiant option. What people say. The keychain is a beautiful and sturdy reminder of strength and resilience. It's a perfect size, not too big or too small, and the engraving is clear and inspiring. This keychain makes a thoughtful gift for any woman needing a little encouragement. Number 2. Coworker Valentine Keychain Gifts. Looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift for your coworkers? Our keychain is a thoughtful way to show appreciation for your business partners and team members. This versatile gift is ideal for both men and women in the business world. It's a small token that carries a big message of thanks. Celebrate milestones like retirement or simply show your team you value their hard work. This keychain serves as a lasting reminder of your gratitude. Boost morale and foster a positive work environment with employee appreciation gifts. It's an excellent way to acknowledge their contributions. Strengthen team bonds with a collective thank you gift. This present is perfect for office gatherings and expressing gratitude to the entire team. Need gifts for the whole office? Our keychains are available in bulk, making it easy and affordable to thank everyone on your list. What we like. This keychain is specifically designed for professional relationships, serving as a thoughtful token of appreciation for coworkers, business partners, or teams. It's suitable for occasions like Valentine's Day, retirement, or employee recognition. If you need a professional yet personal way to thank your colleagues or business associates, this offers a subtle yet meaningful gesture. What people say. The keychain is a beautiful and sturdy reminder of strength and resilience. It's a perfect size, not too big or too small, and the engraving is clear and inspiring. This keychain makes a thoughtful gift for any woman needing a little encouragement. Number 1. Inspirational Bravery Keychain. This keychain is a constant reminder of your inner strength. Always remember how brave you truly are, even when you doubt yourself. Carry this beautiful piece with you as a symbol of your resilience. It's a small reminder of the great courage you possess. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This inspiring keyring is perfect for men and women, offering a message of encouragement. More than just an accessory, this is a piece of jewelry that speaks volumes. It carries a powerful message of belief and strength. Let this lettered keyring serve as a daily affirmation. Never forget the bravery that lies within you. Empower yourself or a loved one with this unique gift. It's designed to inspire confidence and remind you of your capabilities. What we like. This keychain serves as a constant reminder of inner strength and courage, featuring an inspirational message about bravery. Its simple yet powerful lettering makes it suitable for anyone needing a boost of confidence. If you or someone you know could use a daily dose of empowerment and a reminder of their resilience, this is a perfect accessory. What people say. The inspirational message is a great reminder of strength and resilience. It's a beautiful and well-made keychain that serves as a daily affirmation. The design is elegant and the quote is uplifting, making it a perfect gift. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.